Hey guys, what's going on? So hopefully you've already watched the decimal fractions video by now. This one's going to take it a step further and we're comparing it to common fractions. So as you can see down here we have our number which is 0, 1s, 4 tenths and 0 hundredths. So if we were to show that up on our hundreds chart up here, we wouldn't color in any ones. So we wouldn't be colouring in a whole board because we've only got 4. We've got none in there. But we would be colouring in 4 tenths. So if we remember from our last video, our tenths are one whole row. So we're going all the way down, and that's 1 tenth, 2, 3, and 4. So we know that that's 4 tenths. So because we're working in tenths, another way that we could write that as a common fraction, so remember a common fraction looks like something that comes over 10. So because we're working in tenths, we'll put it over 10. We could say it's 4 over 10. We could also, because if we're doing it with just our hundreds board, because it's a whole hundred, we could call it, we've coloured in four rows, or we've coloured in 40 of our little squares. So we could say that that is 40 out of 100. So if I was going to do another number, say it would be 0.75. So our number would look like 0.75. That's it written in the number expander. So we have 75 hundredths. So if we were to do that, we would color in on our board up here. Sorry. We'd color in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's our tenths done. So we've got 7 rows of 10. We got 7, and then we need 5 hundredths of 5 little squares because each of these squares is worth, there's 100 of them, so it's hundredths. So we have 75 done. So we can tick that, we've done that. Now we need to convert that number, so 75 hundredths, to our common fraction. So it looks like this, but we want to put it up here somewhere, somehow. So if we're going to do that, we need to count. We've got 7 tenths because we've gone up this way. So if we're putting it into over 10, it has to be less than 10 because it's not a whole. So it would be 7, and how many hundredths? It would be 7.5. That might get a bit confusing if we go even further down. But if we were to come up here, it would be pretty easy. It would be 75 over 100 because we've coloured in 75 of those squares all together. All right. Good luck, and if you have any questions with that, come in tomorrow and ask me, please.